Hi! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Emma. If you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is so exciting. You probably already know by the title, but it is my park bag video. Woo! This is the third installment of the 2024 Disney series. It's February 18th. So we only have 10 days left of February, which means we have only 10 days left till my trip, basically. I'm literally so beyond excited. We are doing things a little bit different this year, which you'll see if you watch the vlogs when they come out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see, this is one of my many Loungeflies. This is my Captain America Loungefly, and I have the matching ears. I literally love it. We know I'm an avid Loungefly collector. I didn't get one last year, and I think that's why the trip was how it is. Love her. She's great. She has two pockets, one small pocket, one big pocket. The first necessity that I have on my bag is my ears, and I put them on this, you know, those headrest holders for the planes. It's literally a holder for that. Your ears don't fall off, and then you can put them on your bag when you go on rides, and they're secure and you're not worried about everything falling out. So 10 out of 10. This doesn't have any side pockets, which is fine, it's not a big deal. So the front pocket is stuffed. So the first thing I have is my magic band. It's pink. It has the Up House on it, and it also says my name. And then I have my AirPods. I literally, without these, I don't know what I would do. I use them on the plane. I use them sometimes in line, getting ready in the morning. I use these all the time. These are the AirPod Pros. So they have the noise canceling feature. Literally love it. Then I have some tissues, which you never know if you're gonna need tissues. They're on their last legs, but definitely good to have. And then I keep my tripod. I use this obviously on my camera. My camera obviously goes in my bag. That's a little impossible to film, but I have my tripod. So that I also keep in my bag so I can film the vlogs, walking through the park, doing all of that, set it up on a trash can, you know the drill. The last thing in this pocket are all my band-aids. Let's get into the big pocket. We're gonna start with my phone. I have the 15 Plus. Love it. I just got it recently. So far, I'm a fan. I also keep sunglasses in here. I think these are from Francesca's. They're my favorite sunglasses that I own. Then I have my wallet. This is Vera Bradley. Super cute. And then I have my keys on it as well. My keychain says high maintenance. I have my water bottle, which has water in it currently. It's just a hydro flask. It has all these stickers on it. My biggest Disney hack is I always go to the little quick service stands, and I ask for 3 cups of ice water. It's the perfect amount to fill that water. So I'm never dehydrated, and I'm never buying bottles of water. You're welcome. The last thing I have in here, but it's filled with a lot, is this little pouch. Go big or go home. In here are all of my necessities. If I don't have these, I'm a mess. We have sunscreen. This is 30 SPF. I'm almost out, clearly. Always need sunscreen. Look at my skin. This is skin that needs a lot of sunscreen, multiple times a day. We're reapplying. Then I have my Aquaphor, also on its last legs. I have some of my Trader Joe's hand sanitizer. I love this hand sanitizer. It smells like lavender, and it's a spray. All 4 of us really have this hand sanitizer, and every meal we're we're the hand sanitizer table. Next thing I have is this mini native deodorant. It's in the coconut vanilla scent. I have some Pepto-Bismol. Listen, hot girls have stomach problems. This girl needs her Pepto-Bismol, especially last year when I literally ate meat and my stomach was hurting. This helped a little bit, not a lot, but enough. Then I have this little container. It has Tylenol in it. Love having Tylenol in my bag. I have this charger. With my new phone, it has the iPad charging. I always have this in my bag regardless. You never know when your phone's gonna die and you need to plug it into a wall. Then I have some gum. And then the last thing I have in my bag is my portable charger. It has some weight to it. This has multiple charging ports. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a USB one and then the one for my phone. And my phone also holds battery so long. I love it. This is super helpful because I do shoot a lot of content in Disney because it's like my big I mean, obviously it's my big vacation, but it also is like a pretty big content week in terms of having a lot of pictures and videos that I take. So that is my park bag. And then the last thing that I'm like is a necessity is a sweatshirt. Depending on when you go, if you're going like August or like anytime during the summer, you really don't need a sweatshirt. However, in like March, it gets a little bit cooler at night. Not much, but enough. This one I literally got today. It's so cute. I got it thrifting, but it has all of the parks on it. So highly recommend having a sweatshirt. It doesn't have to be that one, obviously, but I am known, especially on Magic Kingdom days, as we have seen in the past, I literally get so uncomfortable at the end of the day in like my biker shorts and my Tinkerbell dress. So I'm like literally gnawing at the bars of my enclosure to get into anything else. This year I'll probably end up putting biker shorts maybe in my bag if they fit and maybe bringing this along. We'll see. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying the Disney series so far. I just had a Chicago vlog come out last week that's like part of the Disney series because it's during the time, but it's kind of its own thing. So make sure to go watch that. Make sure to go watch the other Disney series. I have a playlist for each year, and then I have a playlist with all of the Disney series, which I'll put in one of these corners. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around for the rest of the vlog. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm FitsByEmma on Instagram. And I will see you next week for my Disney packing vlog. Wow! So thank you for watching. I hope you have a fab day, and I'll see you next time.